Akaula jone cholong Kwape chancellor kane jailo sekara tupitone president Edward Chiwanu kasekandi lobu kijana kitem adau ni karitomon o cholong kangol abujes Alupo kopolo kasuba nuitomon tauni natalam ne University lo St. Lawrence shisha kade para kwatangon akasa kanyaranu kanyangon luda alom ntekeda apoplan wa gelagelam
being done at Ataya. Congratulations, Madam Chancellor. The BOD, the chairperson BOD.
University lo St. Lawrence nesie pelonit lo buton Lawrence Muchibi ikari tamano kawum Alupo ngesi abu kishalam ke yaitene lo university kanwangi chun ngesi Kwape adiope na ibecho kina chut Apolokiton University ngol.
Today I am honored to have been installed as the third Chancellor of St. Lawrence University and indeed the first female Chancellor of this institution of higher learning. I pledge to do my duties in this office diligently in order to move St. Lawrence University to even greater heights. Indeed, this comes at the right time when you are also remembering the service rendered by Professor Lawrence Mukibi, not only to education sector, but also other sectors in the country. Ladies and gentlemen, as you are already aware, the NRM government unlocked education service delivery in Uganda by opening up space to the private sector to deliver education and training at all levels. Let me thank St. Lawrence University for prioritizing programs which are relevant in the world of work. Please continue refining your programs to suit the market needs, especially the private sector. Let me reiterate the fact that the NRM government opened doors for both the girl child and the boy child through universal education and also having extra points for the girl child to attain university education. From information available at St. Lawrence University, it is clear that the girl children have equally fully benefited and competed favorably with the boy children. I congratulate St. Lawrence University for this milestone of embracing both the education of girls and boys, but also children or students with disability. You may wish to note that teaching, learning, research, science and innovation, and knowledge transfer are key areas of concentration. And St. Lawrence University has demonstrated capacity to do this over the years. Graduates, as you go out to the world of work, be humble, responsible, disciplined, continue to be hardworking, and most importantly, be patriotic.
Atupitone Chancellor Dr. Charles Masaba ngesi abalebem ejata le university kedai na petam nuapolo nuikari tomon nuda reronorete kesi kangoli karikan Dilax Emi Alamu Francis Ochen Kanuka TV East.